just a treatment center or an Ayurvedic treatment hospital where you get traditional and scientific based treatments. I would opt the second because I always choose Illam Ayurvedic Hospital. Illam Ayurveda is an authentic and traditional Ayurveda treatment hospital located in Alappuzha district of Kerala. We take care of our patients with utmost care and give them personal homely care since generations. We treat all kinds of diseases like arthritis, psoriasis, diabetics, thyroid, etc. But we emphasize on autism spectrum disorders. Dr. Shankar Prashant Musant, Medical Director of Illam Ayurveda, with his experience in this field for more than a decade, formulated a special unique treatment protocol called Ashtanga Protocol for the treatment of autism spectrum disorders by treating the basic cause, which will in turn relieve children from their current condition. Speaking of the basic cause, the treatment focuses on the correction of gut metabolism as it is caused from impairment in gut microbiota. When we correct the gut metabolism, as there is a concept called gut-brain axis, the receptors in brain will function better, which will result in the sensory integration and sense organ functioning. In Ashtanga protocol, the primary importance is given for the food habit of the children. So the treatments start with the correction of biological clock, that is quantity, quality and timing of the food. If the food contains more of Rajoguna, the children will have more hyperactivity and restlessness. Illam Ayurveda also uses herbal medications to correct the metabolism, which plays an important role in the treatment of ASD cases. If the mind is having Sattva-guna in a kid, it will be easy for the therapist to do their work, especially on speech therapy, special education or behavioral therapy for making an impact on the kid. Ashtanga protocol gives importance to speech therapy, sensory integration therapy, occupational therapy, behavioral therapy and physiotherapy. It also explains the art of parenting, which is very essential in ASD treatments as it can make a tremendous change in the kid. Children in this era don't have a connection with the nature. It is important that we, being a family, looks into it and help a child connect with the nature. We would proudly say that Illam Ayurveda is the only Ayurveda hospital that treats autism, that too with the integration of Ayurveda, yoga, diet and multidisciplinary therapies. Dr. Shankar Prashant Musant's consultation is available at Guruvayur, Thiruvananthapuram and Calicut in Kerala and Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, etc. Call now for more details on 9037 043 112 or visit www.illamayurveda.com.